Hey kids, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how do people get big stones from the mountains. Like if you want to build your house, you can make bricks, or like where I live in Israel, Jerusalem, you can take stones from the mountains. Now, first of all, you can blow the mountain. That's not a nice thing. From my opinion, I can live without breaking stones from the mountains, but some manage to cut the mountain piece by piece with special tractors and bombs. They're cutting, and you can see that after they cut slice by slice, see, they actually cut the mountain. Now afterwards, what you have to do is cut it. I've got a cube. See? Now, people used to do it in ancient times. Even today, they do it. In some places, this is used to build, to make place for houses. Now you can build a building here. You can use it for buildings, or let's see, that's like to put a fire station. If I'm in Sam, for example. You see, that's a mountain. It's cut to half. There is a hair inside their kinetic sand. So this is it. Bye bye.